Hello everyone, so today I am showing you guys the Syncwire USB-C to USB-C charging cable 2.0. So this is eMark PD 100 watt, 20 volt, 5 amps, and this is 6.5 feet. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what you get. So right away we see you get a nice user guide. And here's the wire. Oh, that's nice. That's a really nice design. If you guys look, you can see the really sleek, it's almost like a snake pattern skin design. I absolutely love that. So much nicer than the standard black braided lines. So this is good for charging your cell phone or any device that is Type-C into a Type-C port. Definitely works good with GoPros as well. They give you this wire holder so you can run your wires in here to keep them nice and in form. Very nice. So Type-C port just goes right into a Type-C. And then this plugs into anything with a Type-C. So some computers you can charge with a Type-C or a power bank with a Type-C. Overall, sleek, stylish. I love it. And this is going to work great for our cell phone and our GoPro cameras. Very nice. Here you guys can see up close